Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this product by Baseus. This is the car mount holder for any type of smartphone to use your navigation of your device while driving. And this car mount will keep your device stable while it's clamped, and the other cable will be fitting there to charge. Now overall this is a really low cost product that will fit really nicely on your dashboard of your car, given of course that you have a CD player on it, so you have an older car. And overall this feels like a really premium product. I make the packaging as well as the presentation of the whole product, and this seems really nice with this metallic and this reddish accent around it. So let's open this box and check closely this product, and we might decide if this is a real value for money purchase. So we really have to cut these seals here on both ends to open this box like that with our knife. And now I guess we can open it like that. Okay, and here we have it. Just have to drag this out like that. Now this box is totally empty and some included paperwork here. Okay, we just have these stickers that includes Baseus in every product of theirs. I don't see any manual, so let's check the car mount itself. Kind of stuck there. Okay, here we have it. It's actually really lightweight with this neat aluminum front and clamps, and on the back we have this adjustment. Okay, this to insert the other part that is required to rotate at the desired angle. Here we have this attachment here, and the rest of its body, that is the attachment to your CD player drive of your dashboard. This end is inserted, so okay, let's attach this one first to the clamping mechanism and check it out while it is fully assembled. In practice we insert the ball part here and we fasten the plastic ring. I've always felt a little bit concerned about these plastic parts. So here we have it. Now here we have the clamps to fasten your smartphone. That is actually using the gravity and the weight of your smartphone to get the mechanism to work. I would really like to have a locking key or another mechanism to ensure that it will stay in place. Now at bouncy routes, I don't know if the smartphone will stay in place, so make sure you properly insert your smartphone here. And loosening the plastic ring on the back offers wider rotation options, and this red metallic accent gives a more premium look with the aluminum placed on top of it, and in contrast to the rest of the body that feels less premium. Well, it's kind of plasticky to the feel. And here we have a locking mechanism to fasten the car mount in your CD player, and this ensures that it will stay in place, unlike the clamping mechanism that I would love to be more secure. But other than that, it's a really great and well-priced product. I shouldn't be that harsh on this mechanism. After all, the weight of the smartphone can actually clamp it in place. And of course the aluminum makes it look great. So this was the unboxing of the Baseus car mount holder that is great for all cars with CD player and cost effective. Feel free to leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.